We are snowshoeing in Lapland, Finland, above the Arctic Circle. We have sunrise. Woo! About midday. Gas and Mercy. That's all we have is white wilderness. There's Kevin taking a photo. It's quite a warming activity. We're sweating under all this, but it's still quite cold. Pretty unbelievable. I like this bit the most. Let me show you our ski shoes. Oh, snow shoes. They're a bit cumbersome to figure out, but we're getting there. Kevin. And off we go.